Hi, what's up? It's Yen. I am gonna go to Ikea today to get a light bulb, so I might as well try to vlog while I'm there. It's currently snowing in Vegas, which is very rare. You can't really see it, but this is outside my house. Okay, so I'm heading out. I am wearing my thick jacket. I got this, I think, for $10 in Japan, and I absolutely love it. It was in a sales rack, like, right in Harajuku, and I love it on very cold days. Got these blue light glasses from Target, and they were only like $3. And right here is my side table that I plan on finishing today. I just need to paint the bottom legs black. I need to spray paint it, and it's too heavy for me to bring downstairs, and Robbie's been working, so I might attempt to just spray paint it up here and like leave all the windows open. I just don't want it to obviously like smell like someone died, you know. So before I head out, I'm gonna give this little guy some treat. Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? No? Are you tired? Want to stay there? Okay. Okay. So I usually like to give Teddy a treat before I leave, but I gave him a walk today, and I think he's just tired. And I just wanted to show you that I got new pendant lights to go in the kitchen. I'm so excited for it. I don't know, Robbie's gonna be out of town this weekend, so I might attempt to do it myself to switch it out. This is how it looks like right now. So that's the lights that we have right now, and I want to switch it out to a more industrial look, and you know, a look that I'm just going for at the moment. And I'm really excited. It's so cute. I got these two for $35 on Amazon, so super cheap. Snow in the mountains. So even though that it's been snowing in Vegas for the past 2 days, I have missed it completely. Yesterday, I just needed some sleep from my past 2 night shifts, and I missed the whole thing. And then today, I woke up late, and by the time that I saw the snow, it was melted on my roof. So that sucks. But I did sort of see it in the dark last night. I guess that's the best I can get. But we are planning to go to the mountains on Thursday, or yeah, just maybe like a little trail on Thursday, so maybe we'll see snow if it hasn't melted yet. Wait, Thursday's tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow.
Level. Are you on the way home?
No, I just left.
Can you double check to make sure that he's okay?
Our alarm went off at home, so now I'm just gonna head back home first. So Ikea to be continued right now. I'm kind of sad the plate where, oh, there it is. pretty big or cute. I don't know where I would put it though. Now I'm trying to find a rug to replace my old one in the dining room, and I think this is looking pretty good. It's only $150. Looks like this. Honestly, I should have eaten beforehand because all I keep thinking about is how hungry I am. Just like storage boxes. They are cute for $8. So I think I'm gonna grab one of these from my drawer upstairs for my vanity. It's only $8. I don't see the floor lamp that I want. I saw it on the catalog though, but I mean like the online app, but I don't see it in person, so I've been seeing a lot of people do DIYs with this piece. 70 bucks. Been seeing the table lamp DIYs with this, and this is the bigger version of it. Okay, now this is what I came here for, and I don't know where to start. So I'm looking at a really bright light, and I think I'm gonna go for that Ladare one. Where is it? Where's my finger? That one right there. It's $5 per light bulb, which is actually not a bad price. And this one is brightness of 1100. Okay, I picked it up and I don't know, it's so fat. It's like chubby. I don't know if that's gonna fit. I think I need a normal size. It looks big. Why does it look so big? Is it gonna fit? I usually like to check the as is section. There's some sales here, but I honestly haven't gotten anything that I actually like from here, or any like DIY moments that I would want to do on any of the items here, but we'll see. I've been wanting to redo a furniture with a cabinet with glass, but this is still a little pricey, $150. I mean, it's in great condition, so I see why it's still that price. Okay, so my package from H&M just came in. Okay, which one first? I'm gonna open this one first. I've been wanting to buy stuff from H&Mhome. But for me, the core is like, sometimes when it's too expensive, I'm like, is it even worth it? You know, because it's just something to look at. It's not actually anything for functionality. So I do think about the practicality of buying decor. But I thought some of their pieces are so pretty. There was 15% off on their website. So I thought that I'd buy maybe like just a couple pieces. And this is the first piece. This is the one that I really wanted. It's so cute. This is a candle holder. It's a pretty good size. But yeah, you put a candle right up top right here. But I think the shape is so cute. It can just be like a sculpture if I don't use it as a candle holder. Then this one was only like $5 off from its original price. But I'm like, you know what? Whatever. $5 is better than no dollars off. So I'm like, yeah, I'll just go ahead and buy it. They are really cute though. I'm actually happy about them. Here's the second one. It's very cute. I don't know what to make of it yet. It's a cute, like, geometrical figure on the bottom going on, and then a curvy figure going on top. So I do like that balance, and it's a good size. It's a pretty good size. Yeah, so these are the two that I bought from H&M. I think I paid $40 for both of them with free shipping. So it was a little pricey, but it would still be more expensive if you were to, you know, buy it for a regular price. Getting some ice cream.
Sorry.
It's so cold. I'm just wearing my what is this called? My comfy hoodie. What you got?
Kayak,